Nupilal Memorial being observed across the state. Today, Chief Minister Okram Iwobi appeals to end violent agitations. Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar accuses the central government of not taking actions against the UNC despite numerous requests by the state government to end the economic blockade. And Thaunawjam Chawat threatens to resign from BJP if state in charge Prahlad Singh Patel is not removed from the post. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Nupilal Memorial was observed across the state today, commemorating the two historic events that took place in 1904 and 1939 against mass exploitation and artificial famine. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam paid tributes at the Nupilal Memorial Complex. Speaking on the occasion, Okram Iwobi asked the people of Manipur not to forget the sacrifice of the women in those two wars. He asked not to resort to violent agitations for one cause or the other. He further said violent protests will only cause hardships to the people of the state and not bring any solution.
Protest dharna grievances to ventilate Mari Lainaba authority da Kamanba Maduga Kaminaraga Waroishinama Porokanaba Toba. Adunatana equator solution Amatalayoy, Manipura Lainega, Manipuri, putting Maki, top lay, right lay, Oidova, Yaroidova, Karota, Punamak, Amaga, misunderstanding Pukana, Punama, Wahananaba, Tawasti, Punama, what is Hanabatai, Haminabatai, Adunatana equator solution Amatalayoy.
Speaking at the function, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam said there were no uprising of women in any part of the world. The revolt against the British by the women of Manipur in 1939 is the only one in history. All other protests by women in the world were against crime committed towards women. However, the uprising of Manipuri women were not only for women but for the society as a whole. Gaikhangam further said the occasion will be complete if we all resolve to follow the footsteps of the women who sacrifice for the society.
Women's Day ana Malin ko na abang guni magtatuti ising guni haidna observatory anu Manipur ni Nupila guni ta sibak ta adu kuna magna Nupi sini ni haidna so inter dari haidni pakok na ay ko observatory to malam jaga ni haidna ay andari.
Nupilal Ningsing Lamjel and Ningsing Thauram Committee also observed the day. 25th state level Nupilal Memorial Race was held as a part of the event. The race flagged off at 7 a.m. from Nupilal Memorial Complex and ended at Singtumai Supermarket. The memorial race was held in three categories for age 35 years to 45 years, 46 to 58 years and 58 to 59 years. 1,110 women took part in the race. Winners and participants were accorded warm at the Singtumai Supermarket. For above 59 years category, D.H. Ibhimhal of Kongjom bagged the first position, while Saikhom Bideshini Devi of Kangabok bagged the first position for age group 45 to 58 and for age group 35 to 45. Kangabam Sonia of Thiam Konching Awang Leikai bagged the first position.
Ningsing Jabasimu, I don't believe Namjelo in a Telino, how come in a lobby have a go. The Botapu, a quick new Wakapu. But the Mamagi, sing it, the Massing there. Yet how may they give Hona? Hello, Banango, Nasi, Mirona, maybe Sana, Tamogi, Aduga, Afredi, Habira Banamela, Bantum, Nasi, Mirona, Tungi, the Sandia, Sicily, Bani, having
symbolic oiba akoigi imam mayam ki thauna imam mayam ki lamjen adu celebrate toba adu yam maru oiba akoigi ranne nei lamre na masi koi pai puna wangna koi oinamak section khuding wangna masi asida participate tobna asida koi encourage tobna ka le na madu ya pindama tobna.
Education and Transport Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar has stated that UNC is committing crime against the people of Manipur by imposing economic blockade. He accused the central government of not taking any action against UNC despite numerous requests by the state government. Speaking at the 77 Nupilal Memorial Ceremony in Khairamban Bazaar organized by Khairamban Ima Kaithel, he said people of the state are facing the hardships of economic blockade and demonetization. Ratan Kumar also said the Centre has ignored a request made by the state government to talk to UNC to resolve the issue. As a part of the event, Minister A.K. Mirabai flagged off a Nupi Lal Memorial race and prizes were distributed to the winners.
National central government ki makada makoina protection piga do wadu umba akoi lambi yamana masi makoina protect to wasangi Manipur ki miyamu Kauri saram melaga thamgani habi wakalon se masi thadu kada bone akoi ki imai bil sing chu masi akoi khangbire har kanda state government angasi tuminna election de masi ke damak tha koi ju kanna honari aduga akoi UNC da su hanjina koi appeal to jagrabani masi the crime against humanity mioi ba mana chatkado ba madu ba natte makoi ki taliba demand do democratically tan ba hai ba yai miam prajada khuding makta sokpa madu ba thabak adudi akoi tawroi da bani hai.
Nupilal Memorial was celebrated at Thangmaiban Thau ground today. Nupilal Celebration Committee, consisting of 8 different women organizations, organized the event. Resource persons spoke on the contribution of women in the society. Nupilal Celebration Committee convener Y. Kunjarani stressed on the importance of a new face for women to bring about a change.
Humda tare suba Nupila Ningsingba Asina, Anawa Mayola Mayenduna, Leptraba Kongtang Kayagi Pirep Lobo Numit Oirasi, Kano Kayagi Nupilu Kaya Punsinduna, Upon Bakongjang, Jangchin Minabo Honaminasi, Lenga Londa, Semi Londa, Noma Nomagi, Tunghan Batopsin Toranging, Tangnabata Natana, Kunai Sida, Nupi Kayabu, Otpi Nebiriba. Namduna ikai kumnaba manghaliba saram chatsaliba nupa kayabusu para ama tambiduna maru phangna muthatnaba honaminasi inkhalaklebi nupi masa kayana anoba semilol amagi makhada madom lepsaba ngamnaba matangi irangi nonglei nongsinnasu humduna pukhidanaba honaminasi.
Sawombung Block Congress Committee in Hangang Assembly Constituency intending Congress candidate and Ratan alias Kapu jointly organized 77 Nupilal observance at the residence of the intending candidate. Speaking at the observance, N. Ratan said, women are taking important roles in our society. Kurai Assembly Constituency MLA N.G. Bijoy said the day has reminded the power of women and praised Mayra Paibi for their contribution in our society. Ka Nongpok Apunbat Nupi Loop, Nupi Kunai Chawkhat Lamjing Loop, Minority Women Development Society and Muslim Women Development Association was also organized the 77th Nupilal Memorial at Ima Kondong Lairinbi, Haraupung, More. Locals of the area attended the event. K.H. Betombi bagged the first position, S.H. Chamurai second, and S. Sachi bagged the third position in the memorial race held as a part of the observance. Chairman of the Election Committee, BJP Manipur Pradesh, T.H. Chauba warned that he will resign from BJP if State in charge Prahlad Singh Patel is not removed from the post. Speaking after a meeting in connection with yesterday's violence, Chauba said Prakash Javadekar had earlier given assurances that union leaders would attend the political conferences of Keba and Sarat Chandra. But the violence occurred as the BJP central leaders failed to attend the political meetings. He also appealed the people not to torch a house out of anger. Sapam Keba appealed his supporters to stay calm.
Howjikti center yauhre ngarang iwase kauri howjik kauri aimi akhona ngasi dinare akhoi like minded warak pamayam se ticket ama phangda batardi loinamak tokadabani aisu retire tongthokani ai kari kiramaka ai pamde chief minister oini adu tongni haibanate maram chadrabadi Pranat Petel lokthoktrabadi ai retire togani ticket ar parliamentary board ne pidongneba Swaidagi mama na mapjana pi apoti ni.
BJP spokesperson Nimai Chan Luang clarified that there is no difference within the party. He said BJP central leaders did not take part in the public meeting held at Pasoi and Haingang as per the rule of the party. Mandal president should inform the state office before organizing political conference. If there is more than 2 intending candidates in the constituency, all the intending candidates should be allowed to attend the conference. He clarified that Haingang Mandal did not inform the party office about the political conference and the national leaders did not attend the 2 political conferences held in the 2 constituency as the conference were organized against the party's rule.
Adagi sinbadsu mandal gi president na mandal committee de singida bane haba adu ngarangi pasoi gi da usi barto nami si individual level da namme aba ko samna da siri mandal na president na namud mandal president gi maming na namud ni barto punama haingang isu mandal gi president gi maming da namud ni haingang gi barto siri BJP haingang mandal haidi hai adu mandal gi knowledge leite na information da maina party gi lei aduna
A board-level committee meeting for the BJP intending candidates of Oinam and Kainau in Bishnupur district was held at Oinam, Mamanglekai. Intending candidates KH Romeo, KH Jibon, Oinam Bikramjit and Ningthau Kong along with BJP Manipur Pradesh State Election Committee Chairman TH Chawwa and other leaders of the party attended the meeting. About 2,000 locals took part in the meeting. Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polemlaikai Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016 including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see successes in Angel Coaching Yarn Summa number I see successes
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. A 2-day workshop on mine education began today at Command Multipurpose Stadium, Mayang Imphal, Konchak. The workshop is jointly organized by International Youth Fellowship, South Korea and Youth Congress Mayang Imphal. International Mine Education Specialist Professor Kim Soo-young gave a lecture on mine education at a workshop attended by IYF volunteers from South Korea, Thailand and India. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Ukhrul District ICR Regional Center organized a one-day soil health cum Rabi campaign at Riha village in Ukhrul District. Experts spoke on how to maintain soil health and distributed 400 kg lentil and 200 kg rapeseed mustard M27 to 85 farmers of Riha village. KVK Ukhrul coordinator Dr. Y. Ramakrishnan and village heads took part in the campaign. A one-day political conference was held today at Imphal East Kairao Makting Makalekai. It was organized by the Kairao Kendra Minority Congress workers to decide on a representative of Muslim minority from Congress party in the upcoming assembly election. Speaking on the occasion, aspiring Congress candidate Muhammad Wahidur Rahman said former MLAs and ministers from Kairao have been selfish and did not work for the better society, and as a result, Kairao has been lagging behind. Although Iril, Kongba and Imphal rivers are passing through the constituency, there has not been a good facility set up for drinking water and no good transportation as well. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan expressed that the problems facing the state will never end as long as Congress rules the state. Speaking at the 7th Foundation Day of the Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization (TAGDO) held at Thangmaiban Thingel, Leone Community Hall, Joy Kishan said family members and relatives of MLAs and ministers are being recruited in various departments. He also blamed the Congress of playing communal politics and dividing the people belonging to different community.
Manipur punamakta Thangmaiban khata natana aigi leiriba Manipuri khangna chanabula sundokuna aikoi lengpadra mamam Manipur leiriba khundari punamak unity oina shanti leina chakapana puram chaima tagdogi motto se Manipur bunba sandoksi shanti leina chakatpa adu lingchen manar leiriba asida communal politics chariba Congress se maru phukna uthoraba kanida Manipur prajana shanti leina pulibene hase masi leina mafam.
Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Nupilal Memorial being observed across the state today. Chief Minister Okrami Bobi appeals to end violent agitations. Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar accuses the central government of not taking any actions against UNC despite numerous requests by the state government to end the economic blockade. And Taunautam Chawba threatens to resign from BJP if state in charge Prahlad Singh Patel is not removed from the post.